1, 2, 3. Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So first of all, happy holiday season. I'm here with you again here for another video. So for today's video, I will be introducing to you a new OUKITEL. It's the WP5. So today's video will be sectioned in 3 parts. First of all, I will be doing a small unboxing / review / a challenge video to test if this phone lives to the name of the claims. And lastly, we will hold a giveaway for you guys. Let me first unbox the phone for you guys. So the phone comes in a box like this. So I already opened it before, so this is just to show you guys how it comes. So I have here all of the wires here, the plug and the manual. It's a multi-language manual. So here's the phone. Let me peel off the sticker. So first, let me talk about the appearance of the phone. So first of all, as you guys can see, it's a bulky phone. It has like a sporty / manly appearance. You can see the screen. It has a 5.5-inch screen. From the back, you can notice that it has 3 cameras. It has a 13 megapixel, a 5 megapixel, and a 2 megapixel screen. Also, it comes with a 4 LED flashlight right here to take good pictures. In the front as well, we have a camera with 5 megapixels. I took a picture of our office. As you guys can see, the resolution of the pictures is really good. So this is our office. I also test out the front camera with a selfie. So yes, I can approve it takes good selfies. So this is for the cameras. This one has a really cool features. One of them that I liked a lot is it has the Face ID unlock. As you can see, it's unlocked. To unlock it, you cannot. So I will test the Face ID for you. Here is it. One of the main features about this phone as well is that it has an 8000 milliamp battery. What does it mean? It means that the phone can last up to 600 hours on standby, just up to 40 hours using the phone just by call. So this is very huge. You guys don't need to use or to carry power bank with you guys. No need for it at all. This one right here also has a tree-proof structure. What does it mean? It's waterproof, it's dust-proof, and it's shock-proof. We will test it out for you guys later so that you guys can see for yourselves. This phone is perfect for people who are industrial workers or are like outdoor sport passionate. So if you guys work in a construction site and you need to be all day, all week out, no need to carry your power bank. As I said, this phone's battery lasts for more than a week. If you guys don't need to play or like you are not like if you guys don't need to play video games and stuff like that, this phone will last you. So what else? If you go climbing, you go camping, it's also perfect for you guys. Also, the battery life will be sufficient for all those activities. To win this phone, all you have to do is like the same as usual. Subscribe if you are not already. Like this video, comment down below, and share this giveaway on your social media. And also don't forget to tag Gearbest on your post. One of you guys will be chosen from the comments down below. The winner will be announced on Christmas Day. So good luck to you guys. Let's test out if this phone really lives to the claims. The first test that we will be doing is the Walnut crack to see if the screen and the phone is shockproof. 1, 2, 3.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Are you okay?
One more, okay, one more.
Okay, let me do it one more time. It's a full knot. It's not cracked or anything. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me put it far. 1, 2, 3. So let's not a scratch, as you guys can see. So let's test out if it's still working or not. So let me use the Face ID. So first, as you guys can see, and 1, 2, 3, here is it. It is still working. So photos and whatnot. Good. So now let's go for the second test, the waterproof test. Okay, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it's still on. It's still working just fine. So let's test out if it's still working out of the water. Let's test out the Face ID again. So here is the screen, it's still on, the Face ID. Here. Lastly, we will have a drop test that we will do outside for you guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!